Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the home screen and wallpaper, then wallpapers. You can select one of the from the gallery go or from the wallpapers, and here you can select like some of the preset wallpapers pre-installed on the device, or you can just go to the My Photos and select any other image or photo that you have on your device and set it as a wallpaper, just like this. As you can see here, you can adjust it. By tapping Edit Crop, here you can adjust it, as you can see, and tap Done. And then set both. And after that, wallpaper will be changed on the home screen and on the lock screen as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.